I'm Tim Smith, I'm the Applications Manager at Renishaw. This is the inVia Quontor Raman microscope. The inVia Raman microscope is renowned throughout the world for its sensitivity and throughput. The inVia Quontor is the most technologically advanced system yet, with groundbreaking LiveTrack technology. LiveTrack enables the user to lock focus to the surface or interface of their material. Navigation is simple and convenient. In white light mode, this enables simple navigation to find regions of interest. In Raman mode, LiveTrack ensures focus is tracked whether performing dynamic measurements such as sample heating and cooling, or using one of inVia's chemical image generation techniques. For both microsamples demanding the ultimate precision and macro samples with gross changes in surface topography, LiveTrack is equally effective. What you're able to do when tracking the focus so accurately is make sure that you're getting the best spatial resolution that's possible. So you're going to generate Raman images that are the highest quality that you can collect. The liveness of LiveTrack and the broad range of samples that you can apply it to make it fairly unique. So we have laser on the sample. We're not tracking at the moment, so you can see as we drop off the side here, we're out of focus in that whole area, also down here. So all we need to do, go back to the region which is in focus. We're just going to turn on LiveTrack. Now, as we go across these interfaces, you can see that they all track the focus perfectly. And of course, we can apply this now to map data collection to ensure our Raman data is going to be in focus over the whole topography of the sample. From my point of view, it's just incredible, really, the difference compared to what we've had before. It's going to benefit people doing their current work. It's going to make it easier, more convenient. It's going to remove the need to do a lot of sample preparation, so that's going to really help. And then it's going to open new application areas because we can look at such gross sample variation now in terms of topography, so you can track samples that you just wouldn't be able to before. So if you want to visit www.renishaw.com/Quontor, then all the information's there.